Hello children, this is 7th standard maths. Chapter name is rational numbers. Rational number. Rational numbers means a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q does not equal to 0. Okay, rational numbers means it expressed in the form of p by q, where q does not equal to 0. Means 5 by 6 is a rational fraction form. 5 by 6 is a rational number. But 0 by 5 is a rational number. Yes, 0 by 5 also a rational number because it is in a fraction form. We can write numerator as 0, but 5 by 0 is not a rational number. Q does not equal to p by q. P is 0, it's okay, but q does not equal to 0. 0 by 5 is a rational number, but 5 by 0 is not a rational numbers. Q does not equal to 0 means greater than, should be greater than 0. And we can express positive or negative rational numbers. Now exercise 9.2. First mean, find the sum. 5 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4. It is a now addition and subtraction of rational number is given. When addition and subtraction of rational number is given means when the fractions are like fraction means a denominator, when denominator are same means it becomes the like fraction. Look at here, 4 and 4 both the number denominator are same, then we can directly add or subtract the numerator. When the denominator are different number, it is unlike fraction, then we have to convert into like fraction. After finding LCM of denominator, then we have to add or subtract. We can add or subtract the fractions or a rational number when the denominator is same. For example, 5 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Here the denominator both are same number. So we can write denominator same as it is. Then 5 plus 2 equal 6 and 7. 7 by 3. Or one more example. 3 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Here denominator are same, then it is a like fraction. When there is a like fraction, we can add or subtract directly same denominator. Then 3 minus 2 means 1. Directly subtract 3 minus 2, 1. But here it is a like fraction or rational number. Now unlike fraction. Example for unlike fraction. Now 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. Different numbers. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5 means here denominator different number, then it is an unlike fraction. Now we have to equalize the fraction. To equalize the fraction means we have to find the LCM of denominator 4 and 5. Then we have to find the LCM, then we have to equalize it. Now exercise 9.2. Find the sum. 5 by 4 plus 11 minus 11 by 4. So here denom 5 by 4, simplify the symbols. Plus into minus will become minus and 11 by 4. Okay, 5 by 4 plus into minus become, bracket means into, no, plus into minus become minus, minus 4. Now denominator are same. Denominator are same means it is a like fraction. Like fraction means or like rational number. So only like fraction we can multiply, subtract or add directly. If it is not a like fraction means unlike fraction, we have to find the LCM of the denominator and convert it into like fraction, then we can add or subtract it. Now here LCM denominator are same, 4 as it is. 4 as it is. 5 minus 11. Okay, numerator right as it is because it is a like fraction, denominator are same. 4 as it is, 5 minus 11. Now 5 minus 11 means how much? Minus 6. 5 minus 11 means 6. So after subtracting, answer is 6 and greater number symbol is, greater number is 11, 11 symbol is minus by 4. Now here we can simplify 6 by 4 children. 6 and 4 both will multiply with 2 on the tables. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, both will multiply with the same table. So answer is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Answer is minus 3 by 2. Now next second question. 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. We have to add the rational number or fraction. Here, look at here children, 5 by 3 and 3 by 5. Here, above the line is numerator, below the line is denominator. So, this is numerator, here down is denominator. Now, we have to find the LCM of denominator 3 and 5. So, LCM of denominator 3 and 5. What is the LCM? 3 and 5 means after finding LCM, find the LCM of the denominator. Here because it is a unlike fraction, we have to convert it into like fraction. 3 and 5. 3 and 5 means it will multiply with 3 ones. 3 ones are 3, 5 as it is, and 5 will multiply with 5 ones. 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. LCM is 3 into 5 is 15. So write the question as it is, 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. 5 by 3 and 3 by 5. Same question we write once again. Okay. Now LCM of denominator 5 and 3 and 5. How much LCM of denominator 3 and 5 is 15. Write here 15 together. Now add the 5 by 3 and 3 by 5 you have to add. Now equalize the denominator into LCM value. Okay. Equalize the denominator into LCM. We have to check the tables. 3 how much? In 3 ones are tables where we get 15. Means 3 how much are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Same number we have to multiply. We have to check 3 how much are 15. 3 ones are tables. Where we get 15. 3 5s are 15. Same number we have to multiply up. So write into 5 in pencil. Now 5 how much are 15. 5 3s are 15. Same number 3 we have to multiply numerator. Okay, equalizing. So 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. So instead of writing 2 times 15 by and 15, here one time I written here 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Same number you have to multiply into numerator. So 5 3s are 15. Same 3 we have to multiply into numerator place. Now 5 5s are 25. So here plus symbol plus only. 3 3s are 9. Now 25 plus 29, 25 plus 9 is 29, 34 by 15. Again whether we can simplify it, 34 by 15, any tables? No. So answer is 34 by 15 is the answer. Next question is third one, minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. Here whether it is a like fraction? Like fraction number? No, because here 10 and 15 denominator are same number means it become the like fraction. So it is here different number converted into like fraction. 10 and denominator is 10 and 15. To convert into like fraction means we have to find the LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator 10 and 15 is LCM of denominator 10 and 15 we have to find 10 and 15. Which tables it will multiply? 10 and 15. Both will multiply. 5 ones are table. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 2 and 3 will not multiply with the same table. So any one table we can consider 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 will not multiply with 2 ones are table. Right? 3 has it is. Then 3 will multiply with 3 ones are table. 1 has it is and 3 ones are 3. LCM means at last we have to get 1 as a remainder. Now LCM is 5 into 2 into 3. 5 into 2 into 3 LCM. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Okay, that LCM value we have to write in denominator place. LCM value we have to write in denominator place. Write the question once again, 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. Now find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of the denominator 10 and 15 is how much? 30. This is a LCM. LCM is 30. Write 30 directly. LCM value 30. Okay. Now equalize the LCM. Equalize into LCM value. 10 how much are? Check 10 ones are table. Denominator tables. 10 how much are? 30. 10 how much are 30? 10 3s are 30. Same number we have to multiply. Factor we have to multiply half. Okay, 10 how much are 30? 10 3s are same number we have to multiply half. 15 how much are 30? 15 how much are 30 children? 15 2s are 30. Same number we have to multiply half. Okay, now 9 into 3. 9 into 3 is 27. and minus means minus. Here plus symbol, so write plus symbol. 22 into 2 will become 44, and 10 into 3 is 30, that is already written, and 15 into 2 also 30, that is already written, LCM value. Okay, write the rational number as it is, 9 by 2 and plus 22 by 15. LCM of denominator 10 and 15 is 30, and write the LCM 30 and equalize into LCM. 10 how much are 30, 10 3s are 30, same number multiply half. 15 how much are 30, 15 2s are 30. Now find the values. Minus 27 plus 44. Minus 27 plus 44 means different symbol means subtraction. After subtracting, value is 17. And greater number symbol, greater number is a 44. 44 symbol is plus. No need to write. 30. Answer is 70 by 30. Next, fourth question, minus 3 by 11 plus 5 by 9. So here we have to find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of the denominator 11 and 9, because LCM denominator is different value. When the denominator are same value, then it becomes the like fraction. If like fraction means we directly add or subtract the number. So we have to equalize. So 11 9, LCM of denominator 11 and 9, that we have to find. 11 and 9. Both will not divide with the same, multiply with the same tables. Take 11 outside. 11 ones are 11, 9 as it is. And 9 ones are 1 as it is, 9 ones are 9. We have to get 1 1 at the remainder at last. So 11 ones are 11, 9, it will not multiply with 11 ones are tables. So 9 as it is. And 9 will multiply with 9 ones are tables. So 1 as it is, 9 ones are 9. So LCM is 11 into 9, 11 into 9 is 90, 11 9s are 99. So here LCM value is 99. After finding LCM value is 99. Now write the question once again, minus 3 by 11 plus 5 by 9. Now after finding the LCM of the denominator 11 and 9, what is the answer? LCM of denominator 11 and 9, after finding LCM, value is 99. Value is 99. Now equalize into denominator. 11 how much the denominator? Check the 11 ones are tables, denominator number tables. 11 how much are 99. 11 how much are 99 children? 11 9s are 99. Same number you multiply up. Okay. Now 9 how much are 99. 9 how much are 99? 9 11s are 99. Same number you have to multiply up. Okay. Now 3 9s are 27 and minus symbol here plus 5 11s are 55. 27 LCM of denominator 11 into 9 is 99, that is already written. 9 into 11 is 99, that is already written, common. Now both are denominator same, it means both the denominator value are same, common. Write the numerator value only. Write the 99 LCM value, that is the denominator value, and 3 into 9 is 27, 5 into 11 is 55. Now subtract 27 from 55. 55 minus 27. Sorry children, in question here denominator 11 minus symbol is there. Minus 3 by minus 11. In question minus 3 by minus 11. So after finding LCM of denominator 11 and 9, that is 99. So here minus 3 and minus 11. Now we have to write minus into minus, it will become plus symbol. Same rule for a division, also same multiplication rule for a symbol. Okay. This minus into minus will become plus. Okay. Division also same rule. This minus and this minus into minus will become plus, and this here plus symbol, right? Plus symbol as it is. Now 27 plus 55 addition. Same symbol means addition. 27 plus 55 means 82 by 99. Okay. In question, in the both the side numerator and denominator minus symbol is there. So here after simplifying here, directly multiplied means division also same multiplication rule only. Minus into minus is plus. Minus divided by minus means plus, or we can cancel minus and minus symbol, we can cancel, or same multiplication rule only. Answer is 82 by 99. Now LCM of denominator 9927. That we have to find. LCM of denominator 9927 because it is not a like fraction. 9957. 9957. Now here 9957, it will multiply with which tables? Both will multiply with same number. LCM of denominator 9957. 19 will multiply with 19 ones are 19 ones are 19, 19 threes are 57, and 1 and 3 will multiply. 3 will multiply with 3 ones are tables. 1 as it is, 3 ones are 3. Now LCM is 19 into 3, that is 57. LCM is 57. LCM of 19 and 57 is 57. Now write the question as it is once again. Minus 8 by 19 plus minus 2 by 57. Or you can simplify and write now. Here itself you can simplify the symbol. Minus 8 by 19. Plus into minus will become minus only. 2 by 57. 2 by 57. Question is 57, no? Yes. 2 by 57. Now minus 8 by 19. LCM of, it is not a like fraction. So we have to write the LCM value. What is the LCM value? LCM value is 57. 19, how much are 57? 19 3s are 57. Same 3 factor we have to write up. 57, how much are 57? This denominator we have to check and equalize into LCM value. 19 3s are 57. So 3 we have to write up also. 57, how much are 57? 57 1s are 57. Same number we have to multiply up. 8 3s are 24, and here minus symbol, and in center also minus symbol. Write the same symbol. 2 1s are 2. Now same symbol means addition. Minus 24 minus 2 means minus 26 by 57. Whether we can cancel here value? Minus 26 by 57 with the same tables? No. So answer is this much. Minus 26 by 57. Next, sixth question, minus 2 by 3 plus 0. So here we can equalize the value. Minus 2 by 3 plus here 0 convert into fraction form. Fraction form means 0 by 1. If any number by 1 we can write, or we can write 3 also. 0 by 3 also we can write, because equalizing denominator, no, we get the same value. Minus 2 by 3 plus 0 is not a rational number. Convert into rational number. Rational number means we have to express in the form of p by q, where q does not equal to 0. So 0 rational number will become 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is a rational number, but 1 by 0 is not a rational number. Why, children? Because 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is not a rational number. Reason is denominator are 0. It is not a like fraction, so we have to convert into like fraction. LCM of denominator 3 and 1 we have to find. LCM of denominator 3 and 1, comma, otherwise it become 31. 3 will multiply with 3 ones are tables. 3 ones are 3, 1 as it is. So we want 1 at the last. Okay, LCM is 3 itself. 3. LCM of denominator is 3 only. So here LCM value is after finding 3. Write the question once again. Minus 2 by 3 plus 0 by 1. Okay. Now 3 LCM of 3 and denominator 3 and 1 is 3. Write the LCM value down. Now 3 how much are 3? This LCM value. 3 how much are LCM value? 3 1s are 3. Same number we have to multiply up. 1 how much are 3? 1 3s are 3. Same number we have to multiply up. Write this in pencil, children. Now 3 1s are 3, that already written. 1 3s are 3, denominator already written with a common line. Now minus 2 into 1 is 2, and symbol here minus, write same symbol. Here plus symbol, write plus. 0 into 3 is 0. Any number multiply with 0 is 0. So answer is minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 only. Minus 2 by 3 is the answer. Minus 2 by 3. Okay. First write the convert into fraction. My red ink is a question. Convert into fraction or a rational number form. Then find the LCM of the denominator. then equalize the denominator. Now 7th question. Here they given with the mixed fractions. So first we have to convert into improper fraction. How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Write the denominator as it is, and here you have to multiply and have plus. In between these two numbers we have to multiply, and between here plus. Okay. Now write the denominator first. 3 first we have to write. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then minus symbol. 7 by 3. Don't consider this symbol. Consider this symbol at last. Okay. First 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus. Write 5 as it is. Denominator we have to write first. Okay. Then multiply these two numbers. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Now this is not a like fraction because denominator are different numbers. So we have to convert into like fraction by finding LCM. LCM of denominator 3 and 5. Find the LCM, children. 3 and 5. 3 will multiply with 3 ones are tables. 3 ones are 3. 5 it will not multiply with 3 ones are tables. So write 5 as it is. Now we want 1 added last remainder place. So and next number is 5, and 5 is multiply with 5 ones. 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. So LCM is 3 into 5. We have to multiply 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. LCM value is 3 5s are 15. Now write the question once again. Minus 7 by 3 plus 23 by 5. So here first they given improper mixed fraction, convert mixed fraction into improper. Writing denominator as it is, and these two numbers we have to multiply down, up plus. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 5, 5 we have to write first, and 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3 is 23. That is a converting mixed fraction into improper. Now denominator are different numbers, so find the LCM of denominator, that is 15. Now write the question once again, that is after simplifying improper fraction, minus 7 by 3 plus 23 by 5. Find the LCM of denominator. What is the LCM of denominator? LCM of denominator is 15, that we find out. Now equalize the denominator. 3 how much are 15? 3 how much are 15, children? 3 5s are 15. Same number we have to multiply up. 5 how much are 15? Denominator. Here the main important or preference is for a denominator, children. 5 how much are 15? 5 3s are 15. Same factor you multiply up 3. Okay. 3 5s are 15, that we already written. 5 3s are 15. The common factor we already written, means equalizing to same denominator. Now here 3 15 15. 7 5s are 35 and symbol is minus. Here plus symbol, write same symbol. 23 3s are 23 3s are how much? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69. Now here minus 35 plus 69. Minus 35 plus 69 means different symbol, means subtraction. Subtraction means after subtracting value is 34 by 15 and greater number is 69. 69 symbol is plus. Answer is 34 by 15. Next is second one. Find 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. Here previous sum there is a addition. Find the sum. There is a addition sum. Here minus symbol is there. If same symbol means addition, different symbol means subtraction. Now second main, 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. So here also subtraction of a rational number. Subtraction of a rational number or a fraction means the denominator should be same. If the denominator are same, then it is called the like fraction. When there is a like fraction, we can add or subtract directly. Add or subtract the numerator directly. Like fraction means denominator should be same. If here 24 means here also 24, then we can subtract 7 minus 17 directly and write the answer in a fraction form or rational number form. Now here it is unlike rational number or fraction, because here denominator is 24, here 36. Now we have to first step, we have to convert into same denominator. So to convert into same denominator means we have to find the LCM of denominator 24 and 36. Now find the LCM of the denominator 24 and 36. Which tables it will multiply? 6 ones are 6 fours are 24, 6 6 are 36. Okay. Now both will multiply with 6 ones are table. So 6 fours are 24, 6 6 are 36. Now 4 and 6 both will multiply with 2 ones are table. We can try. If it will not, both the number it will not try with the multiply with the same number means we can simplify any one. Now 4 and 6 both will multiply 2 ones are tables. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now here look at here children. Now both the number multiply with 6 and 4 and 6 also it multiply with 2. And 2 and 3 whether it will multiply with same number? 1. 1 is a common number. We can't take 1. So we have to separate any value. We can take 2 ones are table or 3 any one. 2. First simplify 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 it will not multiply with 2 ones are table. Right? 3 as it is. Okay, don't touch that number. Now we have to get 1 1 at last. Now 3. 3 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. Now LCM is 6 into 2 into 2 into 3. 6 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 6 2s are 12. 2 3s are 6. After multiplying 6 into 2 to 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72, or we can group it. 6 2s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Next 12 into 6, 72. LCM is 72. LCM value is, after finding LCM value is 72. Now here I write the question as it is. 7 by 24 and minus 17 by 36. Write the question once again. Now equalize the denominator. LCM of the denominator 24 and 36 is how much? 72. 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 73, no? Okay. 24 3s are, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 72. Now 24 is a denominator. 24 how much are 72? 24 how much are 72? 24 2s are 72. Same 2 we have to multiply up. 36 how much are 72? 36 2s are 72. Same number you have to multiply up. 36 and 2. 36 2s are 72. Now we already multiplied 24 into 2 is 72. 36 into 2 is 72. Okay. Now multiply the numerator. 7 into 2. 7 2s are 40. 7 2s are 14. And here minus symbol. Write same symbol. Minus symbol. Sorry children, here 24 2s are, it become 48. So here 24 how much 72? 24 3s are 24 3s are 72. Same number we have to multiply up. 24 3s are 72. Same number you have to multiply up. 36 2s are 72. Okay. Now 7 same number we have to multiply up. 24 3s are 72. Same number you have to multiply up. 36 2s are 72. Same number you have to multiply up. 7 3s are 21. Minus symbol, iso minus symbol. 17 2s are 34. Now 21 minus 34. 21 minus 34 means, so here minus symbol is there. 7 by 6, no. Subtraction, no. 21 minus 34 means it is a 13. After subtraction value is 13 and greater number is 34. 34 symbol is minus by 72. This is the answer. Next question is second one. 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21. Now you find the 5 by 63. Minus into minus will become plus 6 by 21. You can simplify it. Now find the LCM of the denominator because it is not a like fraction. Can I find the LCM of denominator 63 and 21. 63 and 21. Which tables it will multiply? 7 7 nines are 63, 7 threes are 21. And 9 and 3 both will multiply 3 ones are, so we can try with 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. And we have to get 1 no? And 3. This 3 will multiply with 3 ones are table, 3 ones are 3, 1 has it is. So LCM is 7 into 3 into 3. 7 into 3 into 3. 7 threes are 21. 21 into 3 is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 63. LCM is 63. Okay. 5 by 63 as it is, and minus into minus will become plus 6 by 21. Now LCM of denominator we have to find. LCM of 61 and 23, that is 63. LCM of denominator is denominator is 63. Okay. Now write the 63 down. 63 down. Now 63 how much are 63? 63 ones are same number we have to multiply up. 63 ones are okay, same number we have to multiply up. Now 21 how much are 63? 21 how much are 63? 21 threes are same number we have to multiply up. Write this in pencil. Now 5 ones are numerator we have to multiply. 5 ones are 5, here plus symbol, so plus only. 6 threes are 18. Now answer is 5 plus 18. 5 plus 18 means 18, 19, 23 by 63. Answer is 23 by 63. Now the third question, 6 by 13 minus 7 by 15. So here simplify the value now. Minus 6 by 13 is minus 6 by 13. So symbols are there and bracket. Minus into minus will become plus 7 by 15. Denominator are different values. So find the LCM of the denominator. 39, 15. LCM of the denominator 39, 15, that we have to find. Now 39, 15. It will not multiply both the number multiply with the same table. So we can consider any one. 13. 13 ones are 13. 15 will not multiply with 13 ones are. Right, 15 as it is. And 15 will multiply with 15 ones are table. 1 as it is. 15 ones are 15. Okay, here it is not a equivalent fraction. So find like fraction. So find the LCM of denominator 13 and 15. That is 13. After finding 13 into 15 is 195. LCM is 13 into 15 is after multiplying here 195. So LCM is 195. Now we have to write the LCM of 13 and 15, that is 195. Now equalize into LCM value. 13 how much are 195? 13 how much are 195? 13 15s are. So 13 15s are 195. Same number we have to multiply up 15. 15 how much are 195? We know that 15 13s are. So 15 into 13, same number we have to multiply up. Okay, same number we have to multiply up. Now 6 into 15 or 15 into 16. 15 into 16 is 90. 90 and symbol is here minus plus 13 sevens are 91. 13 sevens are 91. So minus 90 plus 91. Minus 90 plus 91 means different symbol means subtraction. So after subtracting value is 1. 1 by 195. 1 by 195. This is the answer. Next question is fourth one, minus 3 by 8 Minus 7 by 11. No need to simplify. Already it is in a no bracket. No need to remove the bracket. So here fractions are unlike fraction converted into like fraction. So we have to find the LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator 8 and 11. 8 and 11. Yeah, it will not multiply with the same number. So 8 as it is, 8 ones are 8, 11 as it is. 11 will multiply with 11 ones are, so 1 as it is, 11 ones are 11. LCM is 8 into 11 equal 8 11s are 88. So what is the LCM value? LCM value is 88. LCM value is 88. Now write the LCM value. LCM of 8 and 11 is 88. That now we find out LCM of 11 and 8 is 88. Now equalize it. 8 ones are 88. 8 ones are tables. 8 11s are 88. Same number we have to multiply up. 11. 11 how much are 88? Denominator. Give more preference to denominator. 11 8s are 88. Same number we have to multiply up. Already 8 11s are 88 written. 11 8s are 88 common one line and we written here. Now multiply. 3 11s are 33 and symbol is minus. And here center symbol minus 56 and 8s are 56. Now same symbol means addition. Minus 33 minus 56 means greater number symbol minus. 56 symbol is minus. After adding 33 and 56 is 89 by 88. 89 by 88. So fifth question, minus 2, 1 by 9 minus 6. It is in a mixed fraction. Now convert into improper fraction. How to convert into improper fraction? 9 has it. Don't look at the symbol. Okay. Don't look at this minus symbol. Now here multiply, here add it. Okay. Here multiply, here add it. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Now put this symbol. Okay. Now first you ignore the symbol and simplify the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Converting mixed fraction into improper. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. And here minus. So this is in fraction or in a rational number form, p by q. Convert number in a rational number means 6 by 1. If any number we can natural number or whole number we can put by 1 and convert into fraction or rational number. So minus 19 by 6. Now minus 6 will become 6 by 1. Now it is a rational number. Here minus symbol means it is a addition. How whether we can add directly? No, because denominator are different number. Denominator should be same, then only we can multiply, add or subtract. Now find the LCM of the denominator, that is 991. 9 will multiply 9 ones are tables, 9 ones are 9, 1 has it is, we get, okay, 1, we want reminder as 1, so LCM is 9. LCM is 9. After finding LCM of 9 and 1 is, LCM is 9. Now 9 LCM, write the value, LCM value 9. Equalize the LCM. 9 how much are 9? 9 ones are 9. Same 1 we have to multiply half. Okay. Now 1 how much are 9? 1 9s are 9. Same number we have to multiply half. Now 19 ones are 19 minus 6 9s are 54. 54. Okay, 19 ones are 19, multiplying 6 9s are 54. 9 ones are 9 or 1 9s are 9, we already written common. Okay, now denominator are same. Here also 9, here also 9, that is a LCM value. Now 19 minus 54. 19 minus 54 means after finding value 19 minus 54. Minus here, minus symbol here children, minus. So minus 19 minus 15, same symbol, minus same symbol means addition. 90 minus 19 minus 54 means 73. After adding, same symbol addition, 73 by 9, and greater number is 54. 54 symbol is minus. So answer is minus 73 by 9.